This is our office area and plant entry from this side also we have. This is our laboratory. Here we have storage, consumable tools, parts. This is our plant room inside. This is shoe area, brake shoe area. Different models, different. This is induction heating on brake shoe. These are also machines for brake shoe. We have this production heating process. This is mixing unit for pad. Here we have paint soap for painting and powder coating. Here packing. And this is preforming press. This is heat molding machine. We have a grinding and slitting machine. This is pad area. Then we have here tool room for fixture making, die making. This is degreasing line and short blasting. Then other side we have casting section. That also I will show. Here we have die storage bag, lining storage. This we have die casting, die casting. 200 ton die casting machine. We have die casting, die storage, consumable storage. Short blasting machine.